Gustav Klimt was born in Vienna, Austria in 1862 and lived until 1918. He was 55 years old when he died. Gustav was born into a poor family. His mother was a musical performer and his father was a gold engraver. He had 6 siblings to play and explore with. As Gustav grew older, he discovered that he enjoyed drawing and painting. He attended a special arts and crafts school in Vienna. At this school, students studied various master artists, gained knowledge about art history through the ages, and learned how to use different art supplies and materials. Because Gustav's father worked with gold, Gustav became interested in applying gold leaf to his paintings during this time. And as the years went by, Gustav entered his golden period, which was a time when he focused on creating gold paintings. Soon, people began to notice Gustav's gold paintings. Because they were different from other artists' work, art collectors began to seek them out. The popularity of his paintings drove their value up, and Gustav began to make more money. He was now able to support his family. Though Gustav became famous and wealthy from his wondrous artwork, he chose to live a simple life. He didn't enjoy getting dressed up and going out to cafes and restaurants like other artists of the time. In fact, he usually wore a long robe and sandals while relaxing at his home or in his garden. Unlike other artists who enjoyed traveling the world, Gustav was happy to spend his life close to home. He spent his days drawing and painting in his art studio, playing with his kids, and cuddling with his cats. He found peace and happiness in the simple things that his life had to offer. At the time of Gustav Klimt's death, he had created over 4,000 sketches and 161 paintings. His paintings have each sold for millions of dollars and are some of the most sought-after works in the world. Today, we can feel grateful to Gustav Klimt for brightening up our world with his golden paintings.